ఫేస్బుక్లో కూడా పోస్ట్ చేశాను, లైవ్లో వస్తున్నానని చెప్పేసి. ఓ
10 seconds.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Kohinoor Business Expo presented by M-Space Invisible Grills, who is our platinum sponsor, and Pavani RMC and Air Vision, our gold sponsors, Alankrit Jewelers and Kopurao Chit Funds, our gifting partners, Ideal Events, our event partner, Mudrika Advertising, our creative partner, and Mahati, our technology partner. In Dwapar Yuga, we had Lord Krishna who used to guide us through all the worldly problems. In Kali Yuga also, we have a Krishna who guides us on how to save money, how to best provide for our children, how to be financially stress-free, who helps us defeat the Kali Yuga Rakshasas like income tax, how to be ready for any emergency, how to be self-reliant, how to have a source of worry-free regular income, and most importantly, securing our loved ones and our family. Like all bhaktas were very, very special to Lord Krishna, all the clients of this gentleman are very, very special to him. With a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to welcome Mr. Manikar Krishna, an MBA from Insurance and Financial Planning. He is a life insurance specialist. He is an MDRT and has attained the prestigious Zonal Manager Club membership. The fact that he has 1,000+ happy clients all over India, and which includes NRIs, speaks greatly of his gifted skills as an insurance advisor. His specialized trainings help him to deal with and provide tailor-made solutions for his clients in various requirements. His strength and motivation he draws from his wife and 2 kids who mean the world to him. And it gives me great pleasure to hand over the mic to Mr. Manikar Krishna for us to learn from his experiences. Over to you, Mr. Krishna.
Thank you very much, Jagruti madam. So it's a wonderful introduction. I didn't thought you give like this introduction. Really fantastic. Can I share my presentation? Myself, Manikar Krishna, the life insurance specialist, the safeguard people's future, the past 18 years in capacity of life insurance special advisor associated with LIC of India. Today, I am taking a topic.
Krishna, one moment insurance? Before you start, put the full screen.
Right.
Yes.
Why life insurance? Insurance is not an investment. It is a risk management tool to protect your future income. Life insurance is like a parachute. If you don't have it the first time you need it, there is no second chance. When is the best time to buy life insurance? Number 1, when you have dependents on you. Second, when you are young and healthy. 3, when you are older and still have commitments, then you should buy life insurance compulsory. So life insurance purchased basically for 3 reasons: for financial security, for fulfilling future financial goals, for add-on features. Features means there is a lot of features, not only life insurance coverage, it will add accidental death insurance coverage also, as well critical illness rider, as well permanent disability coverage. And if you need any emergency fund required, so loan availability also available in the life insurance policies. And you can surrender if you need emergency funding, you can surrender also this policy, insurance policies. Life insurance policy security, under head of the security comes protection against uncertainties. Basically, there is 2 uncertainties human life. 1, untimely death. Second, living too long. Untimely death. Everyone knows their date of birth, but no one know their date of death. So if we need to give financial protection, that is possible with life insurance policy only. There are so many financial insurance policies are available in LIC of India, but most of the people are confusing which policy should take, either child education, either daughter's marriage, either pension policy, either estate property creation. So I have to ready to help you to take right decision, the right time to protect your financial planning for your family. It is a parent's duty to ensure your children education. So children education, once a minute. If you plan your children education for engineering, present cost, it will be 7 to 10 lakhs. In coming 18 years, it will be 20 to 25 lakhs. For MBA, for it is in present 8 to 10 lakhs. In coming 22 years, it will be 25 to 30 lakhs. It's a parent's duty to ensure your children's education guaranteed with parents or without parents to your children. When a person dies, there will be three deaths: husband, father, income. But the first two are not replaceable. But third can be replaceable with life insurance, Corporation of India with income protection plan. Daughter's marriage. Average wedding cost today 10 lakhs. It's a minimum to minimum. In coming 18 years or 20 years, it will goes 20 to 25 lakhs. Have you planned for your daughter wedding? No. If no, so reach out me to know more details. Why pension provision? So retirement. If you take example for attender to MD or chairman, everyone to need retirement in 55 years or 60 years. Okay. So for that, so according to survey, so there is 100 people, 54 people are fully dependent on others. 36 people die due to incapability of affording medical treatment. 5 people are still working, generate income for survival. 4 people have small income from rent and interest. 1 person enjoy total financial freedom. Just think about your place in fifth, in which place you are in. There is a small solution for retirement funding with the Jeevan Umang called. So why should you buy this plan? 100% capital guaranteed appreciation, lifetime income free returns opportunity under section 1010D. Flexible maturity option. Umang offers 3 types of bonus for lifetime. Premium waiver benefit for minor also. So deposit basics future income planning. It means you have choices to minimum pay premium. So 10 years, 15 years or 20 years. Thereafter, you can get pension for lifetime until death or until 100 years. Decide yourself your lifetime pension and premium liability. Guaranteed 8% returns for lifelong, increasing life risk coverage with age, flexibility in premium terms. Already discussed it before. Just pay 2 lakhs yearly for 15 years and get 2 lakhs returns lifetime with 1.50 crores future fund for family. Just to pay 4 lakhs for 8 years and get 2 lakhs returns every year and 1.50 crore future fund for life family. Why should buy Jeevan Umang? Without market risk, guaranteed return on purchase price, tax free, 8% guaranteed lifetime returns, it means pension, and it is government guaranteed by Government of India. To know more, to plan contact, give us number to, I am very happy to help you. This is a small testimonial video.
Sir, can you try connecting the audio? We are not able to hear the audio. Mr. Krishna?
Sir,
There is no audio being played.
there is no audio.
Yeah, can you try connecting the audio, please? Once again.
Stop. How to stop? I don't know. It's ended.
You can stop the screen sharing.
Yeah.
That's right.
It's Thank you. Thank you very much. Any question, answers?
So, Mr. Krishna, are you done with your presentation? You can stop the share screen.
I will stop.
Yes.
Okay.
The floor is open for questions. Does anybody have any questions?
Sir, if I am not very sure about what policy I have to take, will you be helping me understand how to take which policy should I take for my purpose?
Sure, definitely. That's why I'm telling. So, as per your requirement, as per your future financial goals, I will study. Then I will recommend you, suggestion you, not recommend, suggestion you. As per that, you can plan.
Thank you so much, Mr. Krishna. That was a very insightful presentation about LIC and how LIC is helping all of us to achieve our life goals, be it child's education, retirement, or a daughter's marriage. Maybe I heard about it a little too late. My daughter's already ready for marriage, but let's see how that can happen. Over to Mr. Navneet Modani for thanking Mr. Krishna.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Manikra Krishna. You are really in this Kali Yuga, you are Krishna to us so that you can save people's money and make sure that they save their money for their financial goals and in the future means retirement time and everything. It was a great input from your end, and thank you so much for being as a presenter for this Kohinoor Business Expo, the last presentation of this today's we closed the presentation ceremony, and really thanks to you for being a part of it. And for the viewer side, I can say I wanted to say that this is a BNI Kohinoor Business Expo. BNI is the world largest generation organization, where with this we have Kohinoor as a team, and we exhibited our stalls, 30 stalls in this expo. Hope you all visited. If you are not visited, I just recommend you to visit now, that you can explore your visibility with 30 more exhibitors in this exhibition. Thank you so much. And important thing is, I thank Mahati team for the wonderful wonderful support and everything, making this expo is a grand success, and the presentation with a lot of presenters with grand success. Thank you so much once again. Over to Jagruti.
Thank you, Team Kohinoor, for trusting us, trusting the Mahati team, and thank you again. See you all soon at the awards night. Don't miss the awards night.